So good morning everyone. My name is Pratik and today I'm going to show you how to solve a linear equations in two variables. Okay, so first of all we must know that what is a linear equation. So what is a linear equation? So an equation is said to be a linear equation in two variables if it is written in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So whenever you are going to deal with linear equation, you have to see this form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, and where a, b and c are real numbers. Okay, and a and b should not be equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, then what will happen? The x term will become 0. It will be by plus c. Then it will not be a linear equations in two variables. Okay, now what are the two variables here? So in the equations ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, here we have two variables. Okay, so one is x and another is y, and c is generally constant here. Okay, and a and b are coefficients of x and y respectively. Okay, now let's see some examples. Here I have two examples for you. You can see here 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. So this is an example of linear equations in two variables. Okay, it is in the form of ax plus by plus c. Okay, so here a is equal to 5. Why 5? Because a is always coefficient of x. Okay, so coefficient of x is 5 and coefficient of y is minus 4 and the constant c is equal to 8. Okay, so now you can see that in the third line here, this part, you can see to solve a linear equation in two variables, we need a pair of linear equations. Okay, so generally in grade 10 or class 10, you can see that whenever we are going to solve linear equations, we will have two linear equations and it will be a pair. Okay, so let's come to one example here. Okay, so before that, I would like to tell you all that there are four ways to solve linear equations in two variables. First one is substitution method, second one is elimination method, third one is cross multiplication method, and fourth one is graphical method. So what is substitution method? Okay, so in this video I will show only how to solve by substitution method. So what is a substitution method? So in substitution method, what we do, we substitute variables value. That is, either we are going to substitute the value of x in terms of y, or we are going to substitute value of y in terms of x. Okay, so let's see here. We are having two equations here. You can see uh, x plus 2y is equal to 3. This is our first equation. And 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. This is our second equation. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to find the value of x and y using substitution method. Okay, so what we are going to do now? Now we are going to see the step 1. You can see in the last paragraph there is step 1. So here we will select either of the equations and we will write one variable in terms of another variable. So we already have x plus 2y is equal to 3. Okay, so we are going to write x in terms of y. So here what will happen? We will write like this: x is equal to 3 minus 2y. So we have substituted the value of x in terms of y. So what we got, x is equal to 3 minus 2y. We can put this as equation number 3. And now we are coming to our next slide. Here we have step 2. Now we will put x is equal to 3 minus 2y in equation 2. So our equation 2 is this one, 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. This is our second equation. Now we are going to put x is equal to 3 minus 2y in place of x. So we have already put 7x. 7x can be written as 7 bracket 3 minus 2y minus 15y is equal to 2. And when we solve this, we will get y is equal to 19 by 29. Okay, now what we have to do, we are going to substitute the value of y is equal to 19 by 29 in either equation 1 or 3, anything. So 3 is more easier, so we will put it in equation 3. So we are going to put y is equal to 19 by 29 in equation 3. So this is our equation 3, x plus 2y is equal to 3. So x plus 2 and the value of y is 19 by 29 is equal to 3. And when we solve it, we will get something like x is equal to 49 by 29. So we got our values for x and y. The value of x is 49 by 29 and y is equal to 19 by 29. So this was the substitution method. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this. Okay, now let's come to one question, word problem. So in this word problem, you can see that the difference between two numbers is 26. One of the number is 3 times the older, find them. So it has told that there are two numbers whose difference is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. We have to find them. So we don't know what are the numbers. So what we do? Let the two numbers be x and y and we have to find it. Okay, and then what will happen? We can assume that let x is greater than y. Why we are assuming? Because it is already told that the difference between two numbers is 26. Okay, so let x be greater than y. Then according to question, what will happen? You can see here x is equal to x minus y is equal to 26 because the difference between the two numbers is 26. So x minus y is equal to 26. This is our first equation. And another thing is given in the question is one of the number is 3 times the other. So let it be x is equal to 3y because x is greater than y. So we have to put x is equal to 3y. Now what we have to do? Now we will use here substitution method. Now we will put x is equal to 3y in equation 1. So equation 1 was x minus y is equal to 26. 3y, then the value of x is 3y. So 3y minus y is equal to 26, 2y is equal to 26. After solving, we got y is equal to 13. Now y is equal to 13. Now what we can do? We can put y is equal to 13 in any of the equation, either 1 or 2. Okay, so we are going to put y is equal to 13 in equation 1. So equation 1 is x minus y is equal to 26. So x minus 13. Why 13? Because the value of y is 13 is equal to 26. After solving, we got x is equal to 39. So our two numbers are 39 and 26. Okay, so now the difference x minus y should be how much? 26. Now x is 39 and y is 13. So 39 minus 13 is 26. So our answer is correct. I hope you all have understood. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.